Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So in this video, I will explain you complete update on ETABS software course which I was launched recently in our application Civil Engineering Shravan application. You can watch that complete courses in civil engineering application app. The course is under offer now, which is of 1000 rupees discount. So you can apply the coupon code ETABS 1000. ETABS 1000 is the coupon code. Which if you apply this coupon code, then it will be get your offer 1000 flat discount. This offer will be applicable up to 28th of this month. You can avail this offer by end of the 28th of this month. So this course will be valid up to 6 months duration. 6 months duration from the registered date of your application. So avail this offer regarding the ETABS complete training course. So I was uploaded some of the content, better content, quality content regarding this particular course and real-time projects which we are considered for the project. Okay, so you can watch the complete concepts. Free content is also available regarding a demonstration video in ETABS software course. You can watch that video. I will provide you the complete demonstration video regarding the complete ETABS course. What are the topic that I am covering in this particular course by using ETABS software for the complete demonstration purpose. So you can watch that complete video regarding that free content which is available in the application. Then you can purchase that course from the Civil Engineering Shravan application. And I was updated some of the free content in the free PDF section also. You can download the free content from the free PDF section. You can download the free content for learning more regarding the structural engineering and designing engineering. So thank you for watching my video. So please download Civil Engineering Shravan application for more interesting updates regarding that complete training regarding StatPro, ETABS, SAP, Revert and manual calculation AutoCAD software. The ETABS is offer now, which is ETABS 1000 is the discount for the offer code. You can apply that code. So the course will be valid up to 6 months from your date of the registration. We will see in the next video. Thank you.